Today I'm going to show you how to draw Cell today. Cell, if you must know, he's one of the main villains in Dragon Ball Z Kai. And another fact about him, he was created by Dr. Gero, and today we'll be drawing him in his perfect form. And here's what you must know about Cell. He had all the powers of Goku and his friends, like his evolved state, starting with Goku, Krillin, Vegeta, Piccolo. He has all their powers wrapped up into one. Well, he would have kept going his reign of terror after he opened the Cell games. And he would have kept going if Gohan hadn't stepped in and used his Kamehameha wave to destroy him and every cell in his body. By the way, what he did to King Kai was wrong. I can't believe he murdered him. That's just mean. In any case, let's just hope that Cell doesn't come back. But, in the timeline that Goku is from, Krillin and Trunks, they destroyed Dr. Gero's lab and stopped Cell from emerging from its chamber. They destroyed the smaller version of him and turned him into dust. Supposedly, I thought time change was supposed to get rid of Cell, but turns out, to Trunks, if you change the past, it won't affect the worlds that he came from. Hold on a sec. Sorry, folks, I just really like this music. There's just no turning it down. There we go. There's Cell's head. There's his neck. Okay, next up, here's his body. Here's his... Okay. There's his head. Now we just have to draw his body. There we go. Okay, next up, here's his body. Okay, next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw the stinger on his back. There we go. There we go. Okay, next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his other arm here. There we go. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his wings here. His really big wings. And there we go. Now for the really fun part. We get to add some spots to him. Dark gray spots. I know this will take some time, but don't worry. There we go. There we go. And that is how you draw Cell. I know it didn't take too long, but I finally managed to get some of it done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Have a Cell spectacular day.